This video series shows how to commission the CPX-AP-I-EC EtherCAT remote I/O with Beckhoff PLC. Learn how to connect the hardware in this video. An application note is available on this topic with complete and detailed instructions. Go to Festo website. Search for CPX-AP-I-EC EtherCAT interface. Select Downloads. Go to Expert Knowledge tab. Select and download the required app note. Connecting hardware. Connect the hardware with the appropriate cables as shown. Beckhoff PLC to Ethernet switch via Ethernet cable. Beckhoff PLC, port EC to head module, port INX1, via Ethernet cable. "24 volts DC power supply to head module, port XD1, via power supply cable. Head module, port XF21 to I/O link master, port XF10, via AP communication cable. Head module, port XD2 to I/O link master, port XD1 via power transmission cable. I/O link master, port X0 to electric cylinder unit via an adapter and connecting cable. "24 volts DC power supply to electric cylinder unit, via power supply cable. Now the hardware is connected. Watch the next video to learn how to do the setup.